By the people. For the people.
We're getting wings.
What?
It's been a while since we've seen our
Is
Irish
it actually
friends.
wings?
Red Bull.
Oh.
Oh,
I'm expecting to leave this place buzzing.
Yeah, me too.
Get the jitters.
I've got a
my.
really sensitive nervous system.
I was just saying.
Shout Dublin.
Watch out, Dublin.
Wow.
Watch out, Dublin.
It smells so bad.
What flavour is the original?
That's Red Bull flavour.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like cough syrup flavor.
It just tastes like
Energy.
sugar and
It's just
energy.
That's disgusting. How do people drink that outside of Jaeger bombs?
Wow, which sounds disgusting as well. The sugar-free one I think is good. It tastes like sweet tarts.
Yes.
Free.
How is it possible for it to be sugar free?
There's
It's
no
probably nicer.
point to this. I hate sugar free.
I'm really worried about what taurine is.
Well, like it might have all the same energy in it, and then you're not getting the sugar.
Isn't it like comes from bulls?
It's
semen.
Why do you gotta be gross? She's
Zebo,
always so
you
nasty.
want it not
Have you
to
ever seen
the
so many
same-
gingers in your life?
I'm not mad about
Well, it's
original
Ireland.
Red Bull, but I prefer it to that.
It's Red Bull without the wings. No.
They always seem so amused when they burp. Have you noticed? I've not tried this one.
Oh, look at this lad.
Lass? He called that a lass?
Yeah.
He likes that one.
These aren't as cold as I'd like them to be.
What'd he say?
I don't know. It's funny though.
No Red Bull taste.
I prefer that to original Red Bull.
Do you?
Prefer the flavour of that now.
Get out.
Wow. I'm not a big orange fan.
Orange.
By the colour of the can you guess which flavour?
Orange.
There they go burping again. She's always one of the burpers too.
I love Fanta. I love Club Orange. I love orange flavoured things. Red Bull can't get this wrong.
Is the wings the energy it gives you? I'm only getting that now.
Wow.
Smells like Fanta.
Yes. Yes.
He seems very pleased.
You know that gingers love orange.
Perfect. That's perfect.
Red Bull gives you heart
Tell us
attacks.
when to go.
Gives you heart
Red Bull.
attacks. Oh, that sounds good.
It's all yellow.
Tropical sunrise. Doodly-doo.
My jaw is starting to hurt for some reason. My left arm's numb. Is that?
Don't dab.
I love to dab.
No. Jesus, no.
I'd like this one frozen and a little slush on a sunny day.
There they go burping again.
Sorry.
Don't mix them. What are you doing? That's crazy.
Well, if you're gonna mix tropical with anything, it would be with
Look at her. She looks crazy.
Yes.
Red Bull, they've done it again.
It's very nice.
There's no doubt about it.
I'm so hyper.
She goes burping.
You gonna throw up?
I had made a big mistake of drinking coffee before I came in
Oh
to do
my.
this video.
And you knew.
The coffee.
I'm feeling like I could run a marathon right now. I'd probably win too.
Or another heart attack.
I'm coming up.
Kind of nice.
I want the world to know.
Are you coming up?
Gotta do it.
You're actually coming up. You're coming up. You'll take the glasses off any moment now and become the one man, the woman, the man, the woman, anyone you want to be.
Whoa, man.
All right. That
Oh
was
my.
interesting.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you for watching our videos. Will you please subscribe to our channel, and will you please give this video a thumbs up? Thank you.